Meals with Simon.
We've got sort of a barbecue-y roasted chicken, the legs particularly, stuffed with lemons to give a lovely summer flavour. And in the spices on the chicken are cumin, paprika, hot paprika, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, pepper. And then we've got it roasted with some veg, some carrots, potatoes, red onions, white onion and red peppers. So they've been roasted at the same time as the chicken. And they've also had some cumin seeds sprinkled over them. And then with it we're having some gravy that's using some of the spices and the herbs and the lemon juice to continue the summery flavour. And then we're having some cream peas as well. But
Like and follow for more.